fix your internet security settings prevented one or more files from being opened error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Method 1. Reconfigure internet settings. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Method 2. Reset internet options. Locate and click on the Restore Advanced Settings button. Next, go to the Security tab and click on Reset All Zones to Default Level button. If that didn't work. Method 3. Check Internet Zone Settings. Set the radio button for the launching applications and unsafe files setting to prompt, recommended, option. Method 4. Manually allow blocked file or app. Click on the Actions button. Choose Allow on Device option. Click the Yes button. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.